Friends, it's been a long time that we have been discussing about our subjects. Before we go into the details of specialization, let us have a recap of what we had studied in second semester, to be precise. As we are aware that financial management deals with two aspects, risk and return. It includes the study from three perspectives: investment management. What else? Investment management, investment management, capital structure decisions. This is capital investment decisions, capital structure decisions, and finally dividend decisions. Now, predominantly what we will be discussing hereafter is the specialization subjects revolve around these two aspects. What is that? Either you will be calculating risk, or you will be talking about maximizing returns. For example, let us talk about the subjects. That is money and banking, right? Financial services, investment management, working capital management. What else are the two subjects? Corporate taxation, right? And management of financial institutions. If you see, there are quite a few subjects that revolve around these two aspects. Quite a few. For example, financial services will be talking about the return. Investment management will be talking about risk. Working capital management will be talking about risk. Corporate taxation will be talking about returns. Management financial institutions will be talking about both. Money and banking again will be talking about both. The reason why I'm discussing with you is this. We need to understand why these subjects are in our specialization. There has to be some reason. Otherwise, it will be just subjects. Like it should, if you see the whole MBA as such, right? It comprises of different functions. And from functions, within that functions, we have studied about one of these aspects. And this is exactly the aspect that I am discussing today with you. We know the flow now, right? From why we are doing MBA, what are the functions of MBA, what happens in financial management, and further we are going deeper and deeper into the aspects of MBA, not finance. It's a part, it's a link between the whole. This is what? This is the whole. This is the bigger picture. What do you want to do? You want to do MBA. MBA in what? MBA in finance. So first we need to understand what financial management is all about. And for that, like we have seen all the time, we have been discussing all the time, it includes two aspects, risk and return. These are the three main important decisions that we talk about. And these three decisions are also studied from the perspective of risk or return. So why do we study about capital structure decisions? What is capital structure decision? Capital structure decision is that decision which aims at having the right mix of capital. Why? So that the risk is minimized and return is maximized. What about capital investment? Where to invest money? When to invest money? How to invest money? Now again, why? To understand the concept of risk and also returns. Dividend. How much dividend should be declared? When to declare? How to declare? All these aspects revolve around these two. So these two subjects, these two concepts of financial management are of paramount importance, and these subjects, these specialization subjects, they revolve around these two concepts, and that is the reason why we are here to understand what is financial management. So this is just an introductory part. Okay, now why we are taking finance? Of course, we want to make a career in finance, right? Why finance? Of course, to make a career, right? Or you want to do, say for example, someone wants to do business, or you want to become an entrepreneur, right? And these are the reasons why we are studying MBA finance. Now, what sort of career you are going to make in money and banking? Okay. Now, if you say banking, हमारे दिमाग में, हमारे जहन में एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट घूमता है बैंकिंग जब हम बोलते हैं. What is that? It is like having only the job of, say for example, cashier, or for that matter, officer, right? That is the only idea we have, as a matter of fact, a career in banking. If you want to do career in banking from that perspective, you don't need to do MBA finance. For that, a commerce graduate plus some banking exam, clearance of banking exams is sufficient. So what the hell we are going to do with money and banking in the realm of MBA finance? How we are going to make a career? Say for example, if you specialize in finance, comprising of these aspects of finance, these subjects of finance, specialization subjects, what would be able to do? You would be able to analyze risk better and anticipate returns faster, earlier. This is your job. If you want to make a career in finance, you have only two things to do. That is, anticipate risk better, earlier. Right? Calculate risk better and anticipate returns earlier. What happens? Say for example, this is making you prepare for a career in finance. If you can do this, right, you can get anywhere the job. Say for example in financial services, or maybe investment management, or you can do a career in working capital management, or in corporate taxation, or maybe in management of financial institutions. This is the spirit, this is the idea behind why you want to do a career in why you want to do MBA finance. So this we need to understand better. This we need to understand why we are all doing this because so that we can calculate risk and anticipate returns. This is the qualities that are required in a student who aspires to become a finance executive. Right? I hope this brief introduction of what we are going to do with respect to finance as an elective is clear. If you have any queries, please revert back. Feel free to call. That's enough for today. Thank you.